Hey guys, my name is Hussain Safi from hunklessons.blogspot.com. Welcome to your 20 part of your Learn Jagger video series. In this part, we will be creating an example like Facebook like tagging system. We are creating this because it's unique. Most of the people want to try this. It's famous and we can do it easily by jQuery. Whatever we have learned till now. Okay, so most if you are the guy who had never used a social network like Facebook, I will be showing you what is tagging, and you guys probably know what is tagging, so you can forward the video. Okay, I will open my web page. This is my friend Hussein. Say hi to him. Okay, you click the tag photo. It show you a pin or a pointer. You click here. It suggests you some name. You can tag anyone. Okay, that's what tagging. And oh, I do it later. That's tagging. Okay, so guys, get started. For this, I will be opening my page. I will be including an image with a image source. Image. I will giving an image source 1.png. I'll open this up in my browser. I will kill this file. This up in a browser. I will support it to the image. I will create a style crap to the style tag here with the class of image and giving it a height 500, height 300 pixels, width 300 pixels. Okay, now I will put the class to the image tag. Now it's fine, I think. Yeah, text image. Okay, now we'll create a input field. Input type. Oh crap! Input type is equal to text. Input type text with a ID of tag and width of 100. Okay, the text field it's slot 100 is big. I will do like 60. Fine for me. Okay, well, it is not working here. 16. I'll do. I don't know why the HTML property is not working. I will do the CSS property. The style with when you do start doing programming, you got into some small problems and try to solve it yourself. Then only you will be a perfect programmer that can handle any problem. That's what I have learned till now because I'm a self-made programmer. I have started learning. I have only learned HTML from my school teachers, and then I started. It got very interesting. I created a illegal music downloading site. Then I created my first script, first PHP script. I created a song, YouTube like song downloading site. Then I created a social networking site which was not a great hit, but that gave me great knowledge. Then I started my hunk lessons. That's guys my life. I love to program. Okay, now we want that we want this field to be hidden, and whenever we click the image, this text field should be displayed there. Okay, for this I will do like that. I will add a I will create a class dot uh, dot place no, sorry, leave that. Now I will go to I will give some properties to it. I will give it a position position. Oh crap. I will give it a position of absolute position absolute, so that you can see that it can be placed now anywhere in the document. Now after using the position absolute property, we have unlocked two more properties like left and top. Left I will give 150 pixels, that will go anywhere, and top I will give 500 pixels, that will go anywhere. You can see that in the image here. That's guys, that's it. Position absolute and 100 pixels. I will copy that, I will paste it out. I'm lazy. D. Okay, now we want this div to be hidden, so we will like display none. Okay, just now we will go over to our main.js file. I will select the image tag. I will select like put the angle brackets, dollar angle brackets, sorry, angle brackets, not brackets. I will select that image dot click. Then we will perform a function. Whenever the image is clicked, we will select okay, whenever the image is clicked, we will show this div. For this I will select first the text field. I have given the text field the ID of tag dot show. The show function is used to set the visibility or the display of an object from none to block. Okay, I will click the field. You can see that it's shown. I'll refresh my page. I will click that. It's shown. Now I want that where I have clicked, so I will put a here, object here, or you can say anything, any parameter you want to give, you can give that. And I will, for your sake, I will do a console dot log to see what you will get in the parameter. Okay, now I will open my console, control shift I. I'm on a PC with Google Chrome. Click that out. You can see it's show me an event. Oh crap, it show me an event, it show me a time spread, jQuery version, mouse event type, click. Okay, now you can see many things. I'm interested in offset X and offset Y. Now I will show you one more thing. Page X, sorry, page Y. Oh, page X, page Y. I'm interested in offset X and offset Y. Offset X and offset Y will be giving me the position of the mouse where I have clicked from the left side and the top side. Okay, I will create two variables. While left is equal to e dot offset. Offset was the spelling of offset. Offset X and right top is offset Y. Okay, now we will console. Now we will place that tag to this hash tag dot. We give a CSS. We'll open it out. This will do a bracket. left is equal to left, right, sorry, top is equal to a variable top. Okay, now we'll refresh out my page. I'll try it out, close that out. Okay, crap, not working. What's the problem? Okay, that I think is displayed but it's not shown. So I will do another tag and do like tag dot show. First I will show the show now this page. Oh, I think I missed the variable. Sorry guys. It's top, it's left. So for the mistake. Now it will be everything fine. Page X. I should try page X. What you guys say? That's doing fine. You have to use page X, Y for the top and left for the X. Sorry for the misspelling and misconception, my foolness, my dumbness. You whatever you want to say me. Okay, that's it for now. I will know. I will make one more thing. I will add something. I will add. I will add left. Left. I will add 10 pixels to the left because we'll add left from left. I want it to be okay. I want that to be you can see the problem that it's just displaying beside the mouse. I want to be it to be little bit down. For this I will add top, I will add plus, I will add 15 pixels. Okay, now you can see that I don't pixels, not 15. Okay, now you can see the crap is going there. I should do it in variables. I should do like that. Plus, like this plus 15. That will work. Okay, and I will do left. I will do some minus 15. Oh, sorry, minus 15. That will shift the back. That shift the text area to something here. It will look 15 or 25 will 25 will fine. Oh, what is the length of should be 50. 50. That will like in center, right hand and anything else. I will give it 10. Now we want that we write anything here and press enter, that thing should be tagged in the image. Okay guys, that is for this video. In the next video we will be completing our text tagging system. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you like my videos, and follow me at Facebook, Twitter, add me at Facebook. You can links are given here. Don't forget to visit my website hunglessons.blogspot.com. I'm trying hard to teach you programming and to learn myself. Bye guys.